this is Evelina with Eddy Travels, and today I'll be showing you how quickly you can start browsing for the best flight deals with artificial intelligence travel assistant. All you need to do is open your web browser, type in eddytravels.com, and from all available chat platforms, select Slack. Once a new window opens up, click on the green button that says Add to Slack, and then one more green button, Allow. Now you need to open your desktop version of Slack, and this is it. Voila! Eddy Travels is installed, and you can start browsing for the best flights with the help of a chatbot. So let's start traveling. I'm going from London to Dubai, and if I do have flexible dates, I can type in the entire month. In such case, the chatbot will go through a couple of hundreds of flights available for that period of time and will come back to you with only a couple of the results. Those results will be arranged in regards to the cheapest, the fastest flights available. If you're happy with the results shown, you can click on one of those flights and book it. But if you would like to keep on customizing, I will be glad to show you how. So let's say that I'm looking to have a one-way business class flight with Emirates Airlines for 2 adults, and that will be on a specific date of December 20th. The chatbot does understand even such long and complex messages and will be adding this additional criteria to our previous search. You don't need to retype that you're going from London to Dubai, as our virtual assistant does remember all of the previous entries. So now you can once again book any of the results if you like to, or you can go ahead and keep on customizing more. If your departure city has many airports, you can select a particular one you would like to leave. In our case, we're going from London Heathrow Airport, so we can enter only the code of an airport or the full name. It works both ways. And our search is being updated with one more additional criteria. So now the chatbot will filter out all of the flights that will be going on that particular day from London Heathrow Airport. Last but not least, you can select the time you would like to leave. So let's say we would like to go in the morning, so we can type in depart at 9 a.m. or after 9 a.m. according to your own preferences. And our chatbot will be selecting only those flights for particular time. So for that 1 hour interval. If you like this flight, so go ahead, click on book. You will be directed to the partner website where you can purchase it. Thanks for watching and see you on Slack.